ex-Wall Street investment banker.
Now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Ready to end the week off, going to the weekend and chill. Let's see what we got going on here. What's up, the Beast, Ike, Rallin, Matt, Jarius, Adrian? What's going on? See you then. Say so. Yeah, the Discord is free. Yo, John. Yo, it's first time joining live? Awesome, man. I do them every so often. Not too much, but we do them. We do them. We're going to be giving away a $50,000 evaluation with Take Profit Trader today in this live towards the end. So make sure you guys stick around here for the whole time we're going to be here. We're going to be trading on one side over here. I'm going to be trading my pro accounts at Take Profit if I see really good setup. I'm also going to be working on some evaluations at Take Profit Trader. On this side over here, we got, which is what you're seeing, we have my Apex accounts. I'll be trading there my PAs if good setups come up. I'm also working on just one evaluation that I have there. And that's it. That's the plan for today. I'm thinking long-sided trades. We'll see where we can find some support. For now, coming over here to the hourly chart. Where is my studio? There it is. Okay, coming over here to the hourly chart on the NQ. Looking mighty choppy. And I absolutely despise chop, so I'll probably be quick on takes today. If I'm in multiple contracts, probably take off bulk on the first move. And then something I don't do always or do often or even practice that much unless we're in chop is move my stop up to break even rather quickly on any runner that I have left. Yo, Tigo, Mando, what's up? What's up? Yeah, it's been choppy. We've gotten some moves, but they've been choppy. I've made money this week, and with Take Profit Trader, I've pulled out multiple payouts throughout the week and put them in the pocket. Yesterday was actually the very first day this week I didn't take a payout out of Take Profit Trader, which is rather surprising, but telling of the conditions shifting. Francisco in the house. What's up? What's up? Guys, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button for me. And if you're new around here, consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the notification bell as well. We got 6 minutes, 5 minutes to the open here. I think we might get a quick little pop at the open, to be honest. But we're in that chop zone. We're in the chop zone. We haven't been in the chop zone in a while, so I'm not going to sit here and complain about it. Been absolutely killing it here. On this little meltdown we've had in the market. Market's only in correction territory, so SPY actually above correction territory right now. Correction territory is in that 552 549 zone where we're about down 10%, a little bit more than 10% respectively. I think we go a little bit lower here going into the latter half of March after we get a little relief bounce, and into April, depending on tariffs and such. Oh, is that true, Bernard? Didn't know that, man. That's crazy. Yeah, I know it's I don't know what the regs are, and I don't know why some of these props aren't available in certain countries. I don't know. I really don't. I don't know if it has to do with regs within those countries or some sort of risk management that they do. I don't know. Is Apex available over there or my funded futures? Guys, new video comes out on Monday as well. I think you're really gonna like it. I've never done a video where we talk about going which firm has like a real straight path to live. Apex available? Okay, cool. Well, if you want to use my code JESSEW, all caps with them, you'll get the deepest discount available that they have available at the moment. No extra special, you're just supporting the channel. But yeah, on Monday we're going to be doing a new video, and I'm not one to really care much about, oh, which firm has the direct path to live. I don't care. I just care that when I click buttons, I make profits, and I put in for payouts. As long as I follow the rules, I get paid. I don't care if it's sim. I don't care if it's live. I don't care if they copy traded in the open market. Don't give a damn. But on Monday, we are doing a very in-depth video on a few firms, seeing which one has the most direct path to live, and with maybe even some added bonuses along the way. Yo, Trader 007, what's up? What's up? Hey guys, the music isn't too loud, right? I think we got the sweet spot last time we did the live. We're going with some chill music today versus the hype music from the last one. Only because I couldn't find the hype music. Rylan says it's perfect. Awesome. Yeah, John. John says music is perfect. All right, good stuff, good stuff. All right, getting a little pullback here on NQ. We'll see where it finds support. I'm not going to be overly anxious today. For the last, I don't know, 2 weeks, I've just been machine gunning trades. Today, I'm going to be a little bit more patient. We're getting a big gap up off of the SPY, jumping off of a major support level. Let me show you that support level I'm talking about. You can see right here, scroll back, resistance here, support, support. We dropped right into that level on Friday, and now we've done a really big gap up off that level. I think we push up higher today, but I think we're going to have to let this thing find its footing first. No, Mando. Maybe next time. All right, we got a few seconds to the open here. So we got to get over 19,533. If we can get over that level, hold that level as support, then we could see the NQ pop today. That's what I'm thinking. For now, if it gets over 80 and holds, we should see a push towards 500. Here we go. We're getting over 80. Needs to hold that level. If it doesn't, wouldn't be surprised to see it back at 450. Needs to really hold above that zone. There you go. You're getting the push towards 90 now. SPY pulling back in just slightly. Whoop, bouncing right back off of 556 zone. Bernard, man, you know, it sounds awesome in theory, but that could just lead to a mess because you're not really trading. You're trying to just game it, and that's fine. Like, I'm not one of those people that are like, oh, don't be gaming the system. I don't give a damn, you know, what one does to make their money when they're in these props. So as long as, you know, they're doing their thing. But, you know, what I mean by that is by not doing some sort of like tech glitches and shit like that. Like, I like your plan, right? But it could be something where they could later look at and be like, nah, you're not really trading, you're gaming it. So it could go either way. It might work just fine, or it might screw you. So I don't know, man. I like to just trade how I trade. The only difference, like, I'll put it this way. When I compare my funded prop accounts to like my regular cash account, the only difference between the two is that on the prop ones, I am more aggressive in size and in quantity of trades. But the strategies I use the same across the board. Yeah, maybe I'll pick one funded account and I'll test something new out. Like, maybe I'll start messing around with trading at the open, something I rarely do. But outside of that, nah, you know, I kind of stick it to strategies. So like yesterday I commented in one of the, I think it was a community post on the channel here. somebody said something about that they don't trade their props like they do their cash. And I was like, yeah, I'll do you one better. I don't even trade my evals the way I trade my funded accounts, and I don't trade my cash account the way I would trade a funded account either, you know? Can you get another little push up there? So like the target that we talked about, you know, it got hit. Can it do another little push here off of these 90s? You go a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. I'm gonna take it off right there. Ah, son of a bitch. Either way, 1020 on an evaluation over at Take Profit Trader. So now that evaluation is at 2,460, and this is the second day trading it. So it's fair to say that we should be rather okay with that one. That one is over here on another computer. It's actually on my laptop versus my big tower, my PC. So I traded over there on my laptop, which is actually connected to a 43-inch monitor. So I have two 43-inch monitors here. This one over here is divided in quads. So I have the stream on one little corner here. It's about 22 inches. I got my Take Profit Trader right here at another quad. I got my TC2000, which you're actually seeing up on this quad over here. And then over here I have YouTube, which is with the music. Good stuff, Kevin. Excuse me, guys. All right, so now if we can hold above these 500s, you do have room to 600 zone. That would be the next resistance area. Let me say something real quick. Nice, Alex, good stuff. I don't show trades start to finish, and not even all my trades. Shit, I could have a green trade that you might not even see. Yesterday I had one in the afternoon that I didn't even post about. But in the live, I don't do it. Why? Oh, Jesse, what are you trying to hide? Not a damn thing. I don't give a shit. It's because I don't want somebody to later be like, oh, Jesse, I followed you on that trade and I blew up my evaluation, or I blew up my funded account. No, no, no. You know, and then you have other bullshitting going on about talking about, oh, you know, he does it so people blow up their accounts so that then they have to renew or reset their accounts or buy a new account and use his referral code. Nah, we don't do that shit up in here. So you ain't gonna see them from start to finish. You might see them halfway through and you might not see all of them because I got multiple monitors cooking at the same time. Human coffee time, guys. All right, watching to see if we can get some pullbacks into that 520 zone, see if that wants to hold support. I might take a trade on my Apex evaluation if we can get that. Got the light in the way. Yo, Liz, thank you very much. Appreciate it. I've been in this game long enough to see all the accusations and all the BS, and not here for none of that. Try to run it as clean as possible. Come on, give us a pullback here for a bounce. Golly, freaking rocket ship right out the gates. Look at this thing go. We haven't seen this in a long time, guys. Look, I'm a better bear than a bull, but it's nice to see a pop like that. If we get ourselves, if the SPY gets back underneath 550, we get down into like that 547, I'm gonna start buying certain stocks in my long-term portfolios. I already bought a little bit. I've added SoFi. I added some more SoFi recently. I might even look at some leaps on Palantir, and I'll definitely be buying VOO. Bought VOO yesterday at the lows of yesterday, but just a nibble. The bigger bite for me isn't going to come for a minute.
File your taxes 100% free. Plus,
And you know, corrections. If we're in a correction, I like to buy. If we go into a bear market, then I'm gonna buy it all. Doesn't matter. I ain't retiring anytime soon. Guys, remember, we will be giving away a $50,000 evaluation at Take Profit Trader later in the stream, right before we end the stream for the day. Tarek, my pleasure. Thank you for joining. Damn, we got it to 600. That was the target. I should have gotten short up there, to be honest. This is, okay, Jesse, why don't you stream every day? Literally, this is why. Because I miss out on things. Because I'm not fully attention on the charts and trading. I'm, you know, messing with the stream, doing all the streaming stuff and doing the trading. I would have definitely shorted that 600 level for a scalp, meaning small size, quick trade. Grab myself 10, 15 points out of the way. Probably would have gotten, I uploaded here another Take Profit Trader evaluation. I probably would have gotten that one 50% done there on that scalp. Tarek, I use Tradeovate, so I use their trade copier. I don't copy all my accounts, but I do copy in batches. Currently, I'm only copy trading 4 accounts at Apex. 4 PAs, so 4 funded accounts at Apex. Everything else I'm trading individually as of now. I did bulk up my funded accounts at Apex this week, so I have a stack more. So now probably over the weekend, I'm going to sit down and kind of formulate a plan on how I want to trade them and which ones I'm going to copy trade and which ones I'm going to keep as singles. Yep, my pleasure. And look, I'll do you one better. You'll probably never see me copy trade 20 accounts at once. Maybe 10. If you ever see me copy trading 20 accounts at once, I'm going to tell you right now, you guys, the world can know. It's simply because my affiliate commissions have now dwarfed my trading income. And right now, I still make the bulk of my monthly income from my trading income. This month alone, I've probably done... Oh yeah, what are we, in the 14th? I've probably done about near $20,000 in trading income. That's gross. Net from that, shot in the dark. It could be less, could be slightly more. Net from that, about 20,000 in trading income. I'm probably at 17,000 in profits in my pocket for the month. So whenever I get my affiliate and my social media business above that, yeah, maybe I'll start trading 20 accounts like the cool kids. Yo, ex-trader. Darius. Oh, my pleasure. Yeah, totally. Are you live with any firms? Take Profit Trader had invited me to live last week. It was an invite. It wasn't a forced push. I didn't take it. I don't care about live. I don't give a damn. I care about just making the payouts. You know what I mean? You're looking at Tradeovate. The chart on my screen is a Tradeovate chart. Yep. Nice pullback here into 540. I would have preferred a deeper pullback. It'd be nice to get a deeper one. I think we could probably still get one. It's a little iffy, because we are seeing a little bit of FOMO kicking in. But I'm going to be patient and see if we can get a little bit deeper pullback. Doesn't look like it's going to come. Like when I say deeper pullback, I'd like to see the 520s, but it ain't looking like it wants to come though. Yeah, 520s exactly. Yeah, they do. Don't get me wrong. Take Profit Trader will push you to live at some point. But in this case, in this specific account, I had made $5,000 or a little bit over $5,000 in profit, and it was an invite. It was an invite. SPY still pushing new highs. That SPY still pushing new highs. NQ flagging here above that 550. Yo, Fungus, TTV, what's up, man? Francisco coming through clutch here. We got news in about 16 minutes. Yo, John, what's up? Good stuff. Good info there from John. You guys check that out. Pushing back towards those 600s. If they should break out this time. If they don't, I'd be rather surprised. And then we'd get an ugly pullback. No chill on the SPY. SPY straight up like a freaking rocket ship. Has not pulled in yet. Waiting for a viable pullback, just the same as I wait for shortable bounces. Volume decreasing on this push higher on the NQ. That's not what you want to see when you're seeing a push higher. You want to see that volume increasing. Volume decreasing is showing buyers aren't stepping in as strong, even though the price action is pushing higher. For that to be sustained, you're going to want to see that volume get bigger really quickly. Technical, if it's an offer and not a forced push, yeah, you just don't have to reply to the email. That's it. I replied with a question. They answered it. And then that's it. I didn't reply anymore. That's all there was to it. All right, see what happens? We got back into that 600 zone, shied away from it because the volume is weak. The volume is weak on the push on the SPY too. It doesn't mean it won't break out. Probably will. But for this to be a sustained breakout, you're going to need that volume. You're going to need that volume to increase here, get stronger, showing more buyers are stepping in. 9:47 a.m. We're only 17 minutes into the open here. NQ looking slightly tired. SPY pushing a little bit higher. Will we double top here and get a quick little drop? It's possible. Got down there towards 60. And then we popped right off. Look at that. We got there to 61 and change and we popped right off of that level. Pushing right back to the highs. Slowing down there in front of the highs, but man, that SPY just keeps floating higher and higher. This market has no chill right now. The same I trade any other day. The same I trade any other day. I don't change anything. The only thing that I could change in extreme volatility is just my size. That's it. But I don't hold the same size on every trade either. The size is going to be dependent on where my stop loss is based on the chart. Mando knows. Mando guys, over on the Discord, you can come over there and hang out with us. It's free, by the way. He knows how I trade. He's been watching. Went through the courses. Bro's been through it all for years now. Here's the free Discord. There we go. See, we pushed the 600. Volume still decreasing. Volume isn't getting any bigger. But this is sucking in shorts as well, because shorts are like piling on in here. Something's going to give here eventually. It depends what you mean by that, right? So with Apex, ever since I started trading with Apex, a long time ago at this point, I've always traded the same, which means I generally take 1 to 3, 4 minis, at most 5. So that's how I've always done it across the board. So I've never had a problem with Apex telling me, hey, your trading size is inconsistent, because over the long haul, since I started trading with them, it's always been the same size, roughly almost on any account. So I've never had any issues with that. Also, as I put cushion in the account, I started increasing the size. It's not like on day one of a brand new $50,000 funded account, I'm dropping 4 minis. You know what I mean? Not doing that. We're gonna get, if we get this sweet pullback that I'm thinking, I'll probably go trade it with my funded accounts versus the evaluation that I have pulled up. I trade patterns and setups, which includes exactly what you just said there, A-trades. That would be a chart setup, break of resistance, retest, shows its support. As long as the volume profile is there and I have other possible indicators lining up with it, no reason not to take a long. Reverse it for a short, same thing. Yeah, Jerry, what happens all the freaking time. It happened right at the bell. Basically, I was in that evaluation long, and I took it off, 20 points. Well, not 20 points. I took it off $200 early. And sucker ripped. But, I mean, I still made money on that evaluation. And it only needs like $600 more or something like that. Hit it out the park, Mando. All the fancy names is nothing more than support and resistance. It really, when it comes down to it, it's literally support and resistance. Some are just a little fancier than others. I love it. I love always finding someone that, you know, sees it for what it is. All the fancy jargon is just support and resistance. It just sells better, that's all. Man, we're not going to get that pullback I was looking for. That is crazy. Let me show you real quick what I was looking for. I was looking to see if we could have gotten the SPY to do this. We had 9 EMA VWAP, this resistance line here that I had drawn from the chart. This is an old line, and I was looking for the SPY to work its way down there and then do one of those little Nike check mark pattern. But no, the FOMO is super real in this market today. Everyone thinks they missed the bottom, and I might be wrong. I don't have a damn fortune like crystal ball here. I might be wrong, but I don't think that the bottom is in for the year. I don't think. I think the bottom, let me go over to the SPY. Oh, we are, okay. I think the bottom is actually in here for the year. And then we bounced. I don't know if we're going to make new highs by the end of the year. Maybe. Don't know. But I at least think that the bottom is in here for the year. So as long as we don't go into a recession. That's all. I would love nothing more than to see the SPY over like 2 more days get up in here. If we do, I'm going to probably swing trade some puts and then see if we can get the ride back down. I freaking love TC2000. Got all those cool little drawing tools. Yeah, exactly, John. The purple line here, VWAP, blue line, 9 EMA. Is the buying over? Are we going to get ourselves a little pullback here finally? Be nice to see it get back down to the 60 zone. Maybe even lower. I mean, definitely lower. Ideally, get back down there to the 40s. We've been asking for the 40s since the freaking run started. But right now, we're looking like we want to pull back at least to 75. 70. I think we just tapped 75, didn't we? We tapped 74? Almost look like about that. There we go. We tapped that 70s area I was looking for. 1470. I made 1470 over at an evaluation on Apex Trader Funding. It's a brand new evaluation, so that one's half done. So what do? We nailed 2 half dones today on these, not Apex, on Take Profit Trader evaluations. Take Profit Trader, we will be doing the giveaway on a $50,000 evaluation for Take Profit Trader a little bit later in the stream. All right, we're getting that drop into that 40 zone now. It's starting to get a little aggressive there. SPY still has a little room here. We'll be looking to see if the SPY can get down here. Which is around roughly that 540 zone on the NQ, roughly. Might get a little bit deeper in that pullback. All right, SPY looking like it's tapping out a little bit there. We're pulling in. We got a few seconds here too. Some numbers. What numbers do we have going on? We got Michigan consumer sentiment coming in, 1 year, 5 year, and consumer expectations. Remember, if you're in take profit trader, you don't want to be in an open trade with news going on.
Hi, my name is Khadijah, and a little thing I love about the Chick-fil-A grilled spicy deluxe sandwich
Yes,
is that
Chick-fil-A
kick of the
is
chicken.
awesome. No more commercials. All right, what do we got? Got a few. There's woof. Oh my god. Good Lord, that is disgusting. Look at this thing. I love it. That's the volatility I love. That is the volatility that I love. Mondo, no, bro. In a funded account? I hope it wasn't with Take Profit Trader, though. Bro, what do you mean? How? Was it on Tradeovate? Were you in micros? Mondo just posted his P&L over at the Discord, guys. If you want to see it, I'll give you the link to the Discord right now. It's free. Were you in micros? I mean, you're green, so whatever. Nah, I gave all sorts of errors, so I closed it out. No. Damn. I mean, it's better than it. It's way better than it had screwing it all up and going into the red and blowing up accounts, my man. That's a for sure. Oh, that was Ninja, wasn't it? It wasn't Tradeovate? Yeah, that's Ninja. I can tell by the... Yeah, when I used Ninja, I was trading at that other firm. When I first started with this prop firm stuff, I used Ninja, and I like Ninja. But I had to buy some some like third party copy trader, and it was issues. I never really have issues like that with Tradeovate copy trader. That's why I like Tradeovate so much. The clinch. We've been there. All right, so far this morning we got 2 accounts, 2 evaluations halfway done at Take Profit Trader. Sitting tight here, looking to trade an evaluation over at Apex, waiting for an opportunity, as well as my pro accounts over at Take Profit Trader. Yeah, you gotta just fill out the live chat thing and they'll email you. Just make sure you put your email address in there and support will hit you up, or just look up their support email. Here, I'll get you their support email. But I would go through the chat thing first, because I feel like it might be better. It might like put you in line. Could be wrong. But just in case. Here's your support email. Check your spam box. Maybe the emails did get replied to and they went to your spam. Happened to me once. Diego, nope, not every day. I actually explained why I don't do it every day earlier in the stream. Hey, nice recovery here on the SPY so far. Big wick into the low of day and bounce back up. That's pretty damn bullish, to be honest. If we hold over 500, this thing could rock and roll. It's a big if. Well, I'm in an evaluation here at Apex, trying to give it a shot. Trying to give it a shot. I'll show it to you. This is like balls to the wall because it's an eval. I'm going to try to scale in and out of it. This is an eval, remember. Stopping out of it on the funded account for now at break even. Over at Take Profit Trader, still in it on the eval here. That's the pop I was looking for. This is a $150,000 account. And I'm just scalping it. Come on, man. Let's get the freaking pop already. Yes, I scalp at TPT. There we go. So we're more than halfway done with this Apex eval. Move my stop up a little here on these last two contracts. That was quite the recovery. A little bit pissed I sold out of it on my TPT Pro account. But like I said, it's pretty damn difficult for me to focus up fully. Taking some more off there. If I can get it. What do you got? Freaking hell, man. Give me the pop. Son of a bitch. Alright, we'll grab it there. You're not gonna give it to me there either? Well, I'm not gonna chase you down. So we're still in these two. Stop just underneath this level. Yeah, you can scalp. I scalp everywhere. But I mean, I don't know. I know there's some places that don't allow micro scalping, but I don't know, because like when I scalp, I'm scalping 10 points. You know what I mean? I'm not scalping 3 ticks or 4 ticks. So I don't know if they have an issue with that kind of scalping or if that's what you're asking about. Ah, this is bullshit. But see, this is why I scale out of my trades. $4,000 on that, 4,054. A little kind of not happy. Wasn't paying full attention. I didn't get to take that 80 off. Good stuff. Trader, what is it? X-Trader. Nice, Fungus TV. All right, so we're getting pulled back here, back into that 20 zone. Spy into that VWAP area. That was quite the pop after that news came out. And it's just showing weakness. The consumers, the news, the numbers. If it can hold above 500, it should squeeze the crap out of shorts. To be completely honest.
Hey, it's me, your dry skin. Hey, it's me, your dry skin. Hey, it's me, craving the ceramides and CeraVe.
That 500 zone is going to be the line in the sand.
It's me to restore the ones we've lost, so I can unlock it in moisture and help repair my natural barrier. I can unlock it in moisture, unlock it in moisture. Hey, it's me, CeraVe, developed with a dermatologist. Hey, it's me.
If it breaks back under it, it might just get choppy, which would be kind of whack. So you go, you're getting into the face of that 500 zone, testing it out. It'd be nice to see a nice little rubber band effect jump off that level, get back up over 510, 520. Give us a 3-minute 100-point candle. Right? Right, X-Trader? Guys, remember, later in the stream, probably pretty soon, maybe in about 20 minutes, we're going to be doing a giveaway. 20-30 minutes, we're going to be doing a giveaway, giving away one $50,000 take profit trader evaluation. Fun times ahead.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
If this thing could get itself back up over 40, I think shorts will start to get uncomfortable. And we could see that pop to new highs. X-Trader's like, he's reading my mind. Need that volume to pop. Need that volume to pop. You need to see more buyers coming in here. They got a little bit of PTSD, these buyers, because we've been seeing, you know, these pops in the morning and then nasty fades all day. See, there you go. We've been seeing exactly this action. We've been seeing exactly this type of action, and that's exactly why you've had these buyers now give up, because you've been seeing this happen all week long. I think since Tuesday, Wednesday, you've been seeing this. Early morning, nice push up, followed by late morning fades that have led into an all-day fade. So now you got these buyers with the PTSD stopping out, panic selling out of their position. All right, let's see here. All right, so what time is it? All right, in a few more minutes, we're gonna go ahead and do that live giveaway. So let me tell you right now what you have to do to enter to give you time to get it done. Boom. All right, you're gonna have to head on over here. Go to that link there, which is a YouTube live that we did last. Go there to the comment section and put a comment. Okay. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And then in a few minutes, we'll go ahead and pick a random comment from that comment section as the winner of the Take Profit Trader $50,000 evaluation. Tremendous chop, man. I think those consumer numbers have spiked a bit more recessionary fears into the market. I mean, if this sells off, you're looking at 400s. You're basically looking at 400s. If the lows don't hold. I can't tell what you got cooking there, Jerry. Over at the Discord. Oh, okay, I got it. I see it now. That's crazy. Oh, gotcha. What time is it? All right, in about 10 minutes, we'll go ahead and do that giveaway. SPY right now still showing signs of weakness under VWAP. I feel like if it gets back under 60, you basically have to go visit the 420s, 400 zone. Got a nice little bear flag formation going on. I mean, at a minimum, the 450s, at a minimum, should be visited. As long as we stay under 500.
How to use AutoQuote Explorer.
Damn
First,
it,
start a
so many
quote.
commercials.
Then,
Right back to visiting 500. Damn, you guys ain't messing around. Look at all the comments coming through there entering. Remember, duplicates will be filtered out. Oh, there we go. We're getting a little drop here back into those 60s. Will it break under 60? All right, quick 340 bucks there. Little scalpy scalp over at Take Profit Trader. So that's in a pro account. That account is over threshold now. Not banging anything out here huge today, man, because we're just so tightly wound up and range bound. And I'm just being really quick on the trigger finger. So over at Take Profit Trader 1 Pro account, I've only traded one funded account today. We're up 340 bucks on the day. We got 2 evaluations at Take Profit Trader, 50% done, give or take. And then we have 1 evaluation over at Apex that almost 50% done because I need $9,000 there. And we got 4,333 profit balance on it. SPY bouncing off of right the level of the low of day. So here's the line. Here's your low. Where are we bouncing off of again? So now, if this zone right here that we're testing now, between that and these 557.50s, which is VWAP, right here, if this zone can hold resistance, that's a big if, to be honest. You might get yourself some action that could do, you know, something like that. If that level holds resistance. And honestly, right now, I don't trust a damn thing. But man, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. We're green across the board. I did blow up on evaluation earlier. And you see, that's exactly why I don't put those trades on from start to finish, because then a bunch of y'all might have followed that trade, blowing up your evaluation, right? And then, oh, Jesse blew up on purpose so people use his code. Nah. I had a guy the other day comment some bullshit on one of my videos, and he was wrong. And I was like, bro, we gotta stop with the gotchas, with the gotcha comments. Like, everybody comes to watch videos on YouTube to try to prove the YouTuber wrong. It ain't, bro, I'm gonna be wrong. But come on, you know, no gotchas. So that's why I don't stream him from start to finish. Because then that's what happens. People will be like, oh, he does that shit on purpose, you know, because he's an asshole. No, bro. So I avoid it in that sense by not streaming the trades from start to finish. Oh, why is my thing frozen? Am I frozen? Oh, no, that's an old video. My bad. Yeah, see, we said it. We said we had to at least visit those 450s, 440s minimum. And look at the pop we got off that level. Like, I would normally be a short trader right here against 520. Normally. My fingers are not on the mouse because I don't trust that level to hold resistance, because I feel like there's a long setup for today. But we might just grind it out. The freaking data that came out was bearish. We might just be range bound all day. A really small green day. It's very possible that we just get a very small green day in here. And I'm not going to get chopped up because I hate, bro, when I get chopped up, that's when I go on tilt. And I don't want to go on tilt. I've been killing it. I've been doing some of my best trading this year. Ever. Period. And I'm not about to go into that and let the old tilt monster come back out. All right, guys, 5 minutes. 5 minutes to the giveaway. So giveaway in 5 minutes, comment on this video to enter. And chance to win 50K eval. All right, 5 minutes. We're going to be running that eval giveaway with Take Profit Trader. Sorry, guys. My kid showed up out of nowhere. It's like, what are you doing? All right, so the 520 area I mentioned, look at it. Fucker held resistance. Would have been good for a scalp. See, that's when you start to get the feels. You're like, oh, I'll jump in here. Nah, I ain't jumping in jack crap. I'm gonna keep my money in my pocket where it belongs today. And the advancement in these evaluations where they belong as well. Mondo. She forgot about that after a little while. But she was like, for 2 days straight, we were messing around with that. All right, guys, 3 more minutes to the giveaway. Do me a quick favor, smash that like button for me, guys. If you have, guys, look, I don't know where I screwed up. Come back, my screen. I don't know where I screwed up in the thumbnail for this video, but the video that I posted on Wednesday, I also posted it on a weird day on Wednesday. I usually post on Thursdays. This is fire. Like, if you're interested in which firm from start to finish pays the fastest, meaning you buy an evaluation, you pass said evaluation, you go into your funded phase, and then you get paid. If you're interested in finding out which firm pays the fastest and which other ones come close, check out that video there. It is freaking gold because I go through it all from start to finish. I just think the thumbnail failed. Hold on, sporadically. I actually explained earlier in this live stream why I don't stream as much. I stream sporadically. It's maybe a couple times a month. Reason being is earlier this morning I missed out on a trade because I'm streaming. You know, I'm multitasking like that. And I don't, you know, I got to focus on my trading because the bulk of my monthly income comes from trading. I was like, maybe the day that the bulk of my monthly income comes from my like social media business, I'll probably stream more then. Because, hey, if I miss the trade, who gives a shit? You know what I mean? It's fine. But in the meanwhile, you know, I've made this month, we were talking about it earlier, today's the 14th. This month I've made close to $20,000 in payouts. Gross. Net at around that $17,000 probably into my pocket. So, you know, gotta be about that. Oh, Adam, you watched it? Dude, hook it up with a comment on that video. That really helps out with the algorithm tremendously. Thank you, bro. Thank you for watching. Yo, my pleasure, man. Yo, Juan, thank you, bro. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, and, you know, stay in tune, and you'll always know when I'm live. Oh, man. Awesome. Freezon? I'm sorry, man. I don't know how to pronounce it. Seems like I should because it seems rather easy spelled, but I'm still fumbling it. Bernard says you should stream every day because you are one of the few that are down to earth. Those YouTubers that stream became very shady in the last year. My man, I mean, it might come, but like I'll tell you, I'll stream more often. I don't think I'll ever stream every day. That shit looks like a job. I've done it. I did it like 2 years ago every day. But I'll be honest with you. I'll stream more often when eventually my social media business income surpasses my trading income. Like, some people will bullshit you and be like, oh no, because I want to be a trader and I want to make more money trading. Right now, I make more money trading. I don't know. I want my social media business to make more money than my trading. Why? Because that means I'm making more money while I'm sleeping, while I'm out fishing, when I'm out with my kid and my wife, when I'm watching TV, you know, when I'm working out, when I'm doing anything else, versus being here clicking buttons left and right, which I'll still do, but that's active income. Passive income is freaking sexy. Oh, X-Trader, don't go, man. We're about to hit up the giveaway right now. We're actually 1 minute late. All right, so let's go ahead. After watching you guys. Yeah, the buffer is a pain in the ass, but you know what? Real quick, it becomes a static account afterwards, and guys, people hated Apex when they did all the rule changes, and I hate some of the rules, but the buffer requirement Apex established on their accounts actually made it so that I took out more payouts from one account, or in this case, a set of 4, more often than before. That buffer has actually made it so that I've made more money. All right. So check it out. I have 4 accounts with Apex. I got those funded sometime in December. I took my first payout in January. I've taken a total of 3 payouts. Okay, I took one in February and one in March now. So I've done those 4 accounts. They were what, like $34 times 4, right? And at the time it was the $85 fee, I think it was. But let's say it was the 105. I think it was the 105 fee. Okay. So $136, 105 times 4 is $420, 136. That's $556 in those 4 accounts at Apex. I've taken out of those, if I remember correctly, $7,000, $10,000, and now $8,000. That's $25,000 out of $500 and something investment. The ROI is fucking insane on these prop firms. Okay, so giveaway. How do I freaking do this? Okay, We'll put this here. Bang. I already pre-filled the URL right in here. Filter duplicate users so we don't have double comments. Answer the CAPTCHA, 12. All right, we're getting the YouTube comments. Scroll on down, click start. Let's see who the winner is. Last time we did this, I was the winner. I had to redo it. Noah, are you in the house? Because if you're not, you can't claim it. You can't claim the prize if you're not in the house, and then we'll give it off to somebody else. That's more than enough naked charts for sure, especially if you're copy trading. That chop is nasty. I'm so happy to be like pretty much done on the day because the chop is disgusting right now. Noah, are you in the house, my man? Because you won, but if you're not, we're going to have to run it again. It's 10:35 a.m. I'm going to give you until 10:37 a.m. My man. Ryzen gets it. I pronounced your name like 4 different ways, my man. Which one is right, bro? My man gets it right there. Yo, naked charts, 25K TPT is the best value by far. Man, I'm partial to the 50K, but I'm extra partial to whatever the hell makes you money. Nah, he's got 2 minutes. He's got 2 minutes. You gotta savages. Yeah, Jerry is tilt. The tilt monster is nasty. Franny you? If you're gonna give the 25K a try, make sure you use coupon code JESSEW, all caps. I saw my name too. I was like, well, shit, I can't win. Guys, take profit. Trader, 30% off, and free activation. Special code Jesse W. Here's the link. Naked charts. I use 6 contracts in the 50K when I'm in the evaluation. No problem. In the funded account phase, in the pro, there have been times where I have used up to the max 6 contracts. It's rare. I'm usually in the 1 to 4 contract range. But every once in a while, you know, if we're getting that extension like we were getting here over the last couple of weeks on these drops, I was adding. And, you know, I would add into that winner and just scale out, bang, 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 bang. And I'd have a nice $3,800 day. And then that night, bang, I'll pull out some money. I was doing that left and right. But shit's slowing down now. So one thing that's happened to me over the years and I've noticed and learned, guys, we got to run it again. He's not here, so we're going to run it again. One of the things that I've learned over the years is to, when we're on those hot streaks and we're getting that continuation and I'm able to add into those winners and then even cycle in, right? So like I'll have 4 contracts, I'll cycle out of them, I'll leave 1 on, then wait for resets to add back, all that. I do all that. But there would come a time where the chart just slows down. The setup isn't as clean anymore. The follow through is not there as thick as it was. And then I'll just start giving back profits. So I noticed that, I think it was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. I noticed that starting to come to fruition yesterday. I immediately started to scale down size and be faster on my takes and be faster to put a stop at break even on a runner. Because I don't want, I'm not giving, bro, I'm up money. I'm not giving that back. Not on stupidity. All right, let's run this back, guys. Let's run this again. The winner left. This is why you got to stick around on the stream. The winner left. So sad. Filter duplicate users. We answer the CAPTCHA. Get YouTube comments. Click the start. Son of a bitch. Well, he's not here, so we're not gonna. My guy has the luck. He should go to the casino today. All right, let's run it again. What's going on over there? He comes. All right. If he wins again, bro, I'm flipping my desk. There we go. Who are you here? Brand new. Yo, we got a winner. Congratulations, my man. $50,000 evaluation at Take Profit Trader is yours. Now, what I'm going to need you to do, so we can kind of keep this as private, I guess, as possible, because I need your email address. Head on over to the Discord. Let me get you the link. All right, so head on over to that free Discord right there. And I'm going to need your email address. Or if you want to go to the comment section of the video you commented on to enter the giveaway, you can post your email there. Now, I think that might even be more and we can just delete it right after. I'll get your email address. And you just let me know, hey Jesse, I posted my email, and I'll go to the comment section, I'll find your comment, I'll copy your email and delete your comment. So whatever you want to do, dude, just let me know. That, because we need it so that we can get that over to you. I got to send that to Take Profit Trader so that they can set it up. Make sure that the email address is the email address you use with Take Profit Trader. Otherwise, you will need to set up an account with them and then give me that email address. Yo, Matt, over at the Discord. Killer. Let's go. Nice job, man. Look, see the chop, man, that I was talking about? I ain't about that life right now. Way too choppy for that mess. There we go, Jerry. $705 on the day in your pro account at Take Profit Trader. That's what's up. Matt, thank you, man. Appreciate it. I have a lot of fun doing the streams. All right, sounds good, man. Jump into the Discord. Give me that email address. We'll get you squared away. All right, what do we got? Yo, guys, it's been a freaking pleasure hanging out with you this morning. We did really good. We got one. We made a few bucks in a pro account. We got 2 Take Profit Trader evaluations half of the way done. And then we have the 1 Apex evaluation almost halfway done as well. Pretty damn good morning, all things considered, especially with this crazy chop. Let's get rid of this. What is this? There's a roller coaster. Look at the SPY. What is that? I mean, look, honestly, now I would look, if I was thinking that we were going to push highs, I'd look for a pull back into this zone, hold, support, right? I would look for this to follow through with that. But it's just so damn choppy that I'm done on the day, man. I've had a good week. I'm having an excellent month, a freaking amazing year. I'm on pace for my best year ever. So I think that I'm just going to start the weekend. Well, I think I got to work on a video for next week. Remember, on Monday, dropping a brand new video. You're going to want to watch it. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're alerted when the video drops. The video is going to be based off of 3 firms and their direct path to live. I know some people are super into that. It's fine. I'm not hating on it. But if you're into that, if you want to know firms that have direct path to live and how it works with them, you're going to want to watch Monday's video. All right. There is no giveaway on Monday's video, but it's very informative. I think you're going to like it a lot. Thank you very much for watching, guys, for tuning in on the live stream. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, do me a quick favor. When the stream ends, or now, wherever, come back, put some comments in the comment section of this stream. Let me know how you enjoyed it. Let me know what was your favorite part. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next